Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to be discussing the font style property, which allows us to change the appearance of our text from the default upright position to something a little bit more unique. Let's get started. Following along from the previous videos, you should already have the index.html file set up to point to an external CSS file. From here, we're going to clear out the code inside the body tags. If you do not already have this set up, pause the video and take a moment to add this to your code, as well as creating a separate file called styles.css inside a CSS folder. I've also included links in the description where you can find the code to get you started. Also open Live Server if you don't already have it open. First, in the index.html file, let's add an h1 heading and 3 paragraphs. This one, I will again say different font family, and 3 different paragraphs. For the first one, I'm going to say this will be the default styling. And in the second paragraph, this is a second paragraph with italic styling. And for the last paragraph, this is a third paragraph with oblique styling. Save. And I'm also going to give these IDs. So for the first paragraph, I'm going to call this normal style. Second paragraph, we call this one italic style. And for the third one, oblique style. Then over in the styles.css file, I'm going to add to the previous styles from the previous video. So if you don't already have this, pause the video and take a moment to add the body and the h1 styles to your CSS. Now let's style the 3 paragraphs. So for the normal style ID, I'm going to give this a font style of normal. As you can see, not much change. It should look exactly the same as before the styling. And for the italic style, let's say font style of italic. The oblique style, a font style of oblique. As you can see, there are different values we can use with the font style property, including italic, oblique, and normal. Each one is going to give you a slightly different effect on the text. And there you have it. By using this property, you can take your text from basic to italic, giving your web pages a professional and eye-catching look. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the description for additional resources. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.